Working on a Toyota V6 4.0 liter. See right there, Toyota V6. What I'm going to show you guys is I've installed an oil catch can. Did it at the last oil change, so it has about 3,000 miles on it, and I wanted to show you guys what I actually caught in the catch can. Okay, here it is. Here's the oil catch can. You can see the oil down there. It smells like, it doesn't smell like regular oil, I can tell you that much, right? So I love this little oil catch can. It was like 25 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description below. But I've seen really expensive ones. I've seen really cheap ones. Ones that are actually cheaper than this. I think this was like 30 bucks if I'm not mistaken. But what I like about it, so on the top side, I can't show you the top. Well, no, I can't show you the top side because it's installed there. But it has this little baffle, and inside the baffle, it has like steel wool in there. If you guys can see that. So there you go. There's a steel wool. And the steel wool captures all the oil that's coming through. This catch can actually gets installed between the PCV valve and the intake, so that's where it's installed at. And so there's a in and out, and what I wanted to show you guys, I mean in and out like for airflow. So it comes out of the PCV through the oil catch can and into the intake. So what I want to show you is what this actually looks like when I pour it out. So got this clear plastic bottle. I mean, it's pretty thick stuff. It is not regular oil, so this is what engineers expect you to burn in your vehicle, which tarnishes the inside of the engine, or the top of the engine I should say, tarnishes your valve cover gaskets, and it's just bad stuff. You guys don't want this stuff going back through your engine. So if you guys can catch the oil like this product is designed to do, you're going to save yourself a whole lot of troubles from having this nasty black oil tar stuff go back in your engine tries to burn this. So oil catch cans do work. I'm going to install one on a couple other cars and a buddy's car as well, but especially if you have a GDI engine, a gas direct injection engine. A lot of Kias, Hyundais, Mazda have them. I would highly recommend installing an oil catch can on your vehicle. But like I said, I'll put links down in the description below. You guys can purchase them on Amazon. So I'll clean all this out. I'll use brake clean and clean this little can out. I'll open this up. Also, again, use brake clean to clean the steel wool and reinstall everything. But so this is what it's like after 3,000 miles. Not a whole lot of oil, but it is black and nasty. So if you guys have found this helpful, please subscribe to Bunny's Garage, and I will talk to you guys later.